Hope you're having a great day so far. Today is November 26th, Thursday, and happy Thanksgiving to all you guys who are watching me from the US. I hope you guys are allocating some time off the charts and taking some relaxation time. On this post, I'm going to be talking to you about Uniswap, UNIUSD, and see what exactly has gone on since last time we talked earlier this week. I'll be telling you about my bullish and bearish case scenario as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you get signed up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations, opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Let's see what exactly has gone on since yesterday on Uniswap, okay? Uniswap, we had quite a bit of downward price action since we had met that measured target of that falling wedge pattern I have been talking about. The measured target of that falling wedge pattern was about $4.35, and price action went almost as high as $4.50 before just coming all the way back down to even almost $3, okay, $3.10. That was as low as it went earlier today. So why do I think this happened? Well, there's one thing that I keep mentioning about, which was the price action on the daily time frame, bearish divergence on the daily time frame, okay? Once we see bearish divergence on any chart, I'll be extra cautious because that could signal a pullback more often than not. Another thing I've also been talking about is the Bitcoin price action chart. I'm not going to do a recap on the overall crypto markets on this post because I've already done it on my first post on Your Finance today. If you guys are interested in checking it out on what I said about the overall crypto markets, you guys can check out my video on today, Your Finance. Now, I did mention that on the Bitcoin price action, there was also bearish divergence on the 12-hour and daily time frame. Bearish divergence, very careful on both the altcoin chart itself and Bitcoin price action because it could drag a lot of the altcoins down with it, as you guys can see from earlier today or last night, depending on where you guys are. Okay, so now that we have found some support at about the $3.10 level, which is also the daily 50 simple moving average, we are currently I am looking for us to actually stay above this daily 21 simple moving average because it has been the signal between a downtrend and a reversal since the downtrend back in September and October, okay? Now, that is the evaluation of the current situation. Let's explore the bullish and bearish case scenario now. The bullish case scenario, I would like for us to actually stay above the daily 21 simple moving average. I don't see any substantial patterns that haven't formed yet on the lower time frames, so I'm going to be looking on the higher time frame, and we don't really have a pattern so far except for the last 3 bearish candles, okay? As a short-term trader, I never like seeing support being broken, and the main support I'm looking for here and have been mentioning over and over again is the daily 21 simple moving average for the same reason I just talked about. Even though we had just crossed over the 50 simple moving average, okay? I don't like seeing support being broken because past support is now resistance. So if we get a daily close below this daily 21 simple moving average, I could expect stalled upward price action as the price action would try to get back above this daily 21 simple moving average. And whenever I see time spent being stalled, that is opportunity cost, okay, as a short-term trader. Now, that is the bullish case scenario for us to actually get a daily candle close, this daily candle close specifically above the daily 21 simple moving average. The bearish case scenario, very simple. If we actually get a daily candle close underneath underneath this daily 21 simple moving average that could tell me that we are going to spend some time stalling between about $3.10 and the daily 21. Okay, so it's going to be quite a bit of a constraint price action between these two intervals. What is the very bearish case scenario? Very bearish case scenario would for price action to start closing below this daily 50 simple moving average and this 0.236 fib level right here, which was the last fib, which was the only fib level that we had been staying above on. Okay, this one does not count. The 0.386, the 0.382 does not count because we have not spent too much time up there. But between the 0.236 and the 0.382 has been the interval we have spent the most time on. So if this fib level is actually broken, that is not good news, and I'll be very cautious of that. So this is my update for Uniswap today and my bullish and bearish case scenarios. You guys let me know if you agree, disagree. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded crypto analysis videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. I will see you guys next time.